Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, hi, I am Jukta and I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle and DIY.
And it goes a little something like
I'll keep you warm all summer, and after fall, I'll keep you warm all summer, and after fall, I'll keep
So this video is a very interesting video and a video which is very close to my heart basically. So whoever who is very interested in K culture, K-pop, K-dramas, this video is just for you. And if you are a beginner to K-dramas and you are starting to watch K-dramas right now, then I think this video is perfect. Also guys, ignore the rumbling and grumbling because it's raining outside and I don't know how or what happens when I start shooting. All the noises start coming at that particular point of time. So let's just ignore that fact that weather is against me today, and without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So all the dramas I'm going to list today or say you guys one by one, it is not based on any ranking or anything of my choice. It is just like a list basically, okay? Because these dramas are dramas which I have rewatched and I just wanted to show you guys this and tell you guys this, and I would definitely suggest you guys go and watch these dramas. So the first drama I'm going to begin with is Weightlifting Fairy Kim Bok-joo. This drama is a 2016 drama and it also has 16 episodes. Mostly all the K-dramas have 16 episodes, so 16 or 20, so like that we have a lot of episodes and it is really nice. So this drama is all about how every one of the individuals shown in this drama grow as athletes in their particular field. This drama is starred by Lee Sung-kyung and Nam Joo-hyuk as Kim Bok-joo and Jung Jun-young respectively. So like they are such an awesome duo. I loved their chemistry throughout the drama, and obviously you cannot get over a K-drama actor basically, their handsomeness and their prettiness all over the drama. So I am legit a fan of this drama and I have watched this drama so many times since 2016, you guys. I cannot even count and tell you. So I would definitely highly recommend this drama for you guys. So the next drama I'm going to talk about is named Strong Woman Do Bong Soo. Now this drama is also a big comic drama, but it also has some intense scenes throughout the drama. So this drama is all about a strong woman named Do Bong Soo. So she has like some kind of power which makes her very, very strong and basically inevitable in many cases. So this drama is all about her finding love and also kind of exploring her genre of work, how she wants to develop herself as a person. So this drama is starred by Park Bo Young, Park Hyung Sik and Ji So as the main characters. I have also rewatched this a million times right now and I have always like started and ended it all together because otherwise it's like I cannot sleep, okay? I cannot sleep. So the next drama I'm going to talk about is the drama which kind of pushed me towards watching K-dramas, and this was my first drama ever which I watched as a K-drama, and I remember this vividly because this put so much impact on me, especially when I watched this drama. I was like blown basically. So this drama is named Descendants of the Sun. Now this drama is about a soldier and doctor who fall in love and explore their world in their own kind of situations, and a very tight kind of a plot. The whole drama is very tight and you will get to see both medical kind of emergencies which one faces, and also you'll be able to see a life of a soldier. Basically it's very interesting and it is always like a very tight plot. This drama is also 2016 drama, and this drama is starred by the Song couple, that is Song Hye Kyo and Song Joong Ki. I mean the cutest couple, and it's great to see them on screen, and I love the chemistry they have throughout the drama, and it's just very nice. So go and watch this drama, you guys. It was only 5 dramas basically, but I have watched more than hundreds of dramas. Okay, and this is not a joke. I have watched more than 100 K-dramas. If you want a part 2 of this and you want to know more about new dramas and old dramas and etc, then I can film another video. So don't forget to comment down below if you guys would like to see more of such, favorite K-dramas, K-pop groups, etc, and anything related to K culture altogether. So don't forget to comment that down below. The next drama I'm going to talk about is the drama named While You Were Sleeping. This is a 2017 drama and it also has 16 episodes. This drama stars Bae Suji and Lee Jong Suk and also Jung Hae-in. So this drama revolves around a prosecutor, a police officer and a reporter, and they are like solving a particular case basically. The drama kind of has the element of fiction basically. So Bae Suji, the character in this drama, can dreams about incidents which can happen in the future, which actually happens in the future, and that is how they kind of solve these cases back to back and the whole mystery is solved. So the next drama I'm going to talk about is named Her Private Life. This is a 2019 drama, I guess, and it also has 16 episodes as usual. So this drama is all about a girl having dual lifestyles basically, one as a fangirl of a popular of a popular person and a fan of a person, and also like an art director of a gallery and stuffs like that. So these two characters are totally opposite basically, and how she maintains that and how with time these two merge and come together in the whole drama. This drama stars Park Min Young, Kim Jae Wook and also An Bo Yeon, and this drama is definitely something I would definitely suggest you guys go and watch, and also it's kind of close to my heart because it's very relatable to like a fangirl. But I think this is a great watch, and obviously Park Min Young is so cute and she can put herself in any shoe and she can be rocking that particular role. So I would definitely suggest you guys go and watch this drama. I hope you found this video interesting and helpful, and if you did, then don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to press that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Share this video with your friends and comment down below on what you guys want to see in my channel next, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye!